Today is a very special day at Peachybbies. It is Dirty Dan's birthday. We have Aaron and Anna challenging each other to see who can make the best birthday cake, and then Dan will judge and see which one is the best one. Let's go.
I hate my birthday.
I want Dan to like me, so I'm gonna make something special.
I found this really old, ancient, dried up clay in the warehouse, and I think it'll do the trick. Honestly, I don't even like Dirty Dan, so I put zero effort into this cake.
I think Dan just needs some love. He's got some tough skin, so I'm gonna go with something colorful, so hopefully that'll cheer him up.
Honestly, I just got lazy and didn't feel like adding any color, so I just grabbed some black sprinkles to add later.
So they have their ingredients and now they have 30 minutes. Let the baking begin.
To make sure I win this challenge, I'm gonna invite one of Dirty Dan's old buddies from back in the day. Hey, is this Mike? Good. Well, I'm calling because I want to invite you to your old buddy Dirty Dan's birthday party today at 5 here at Peachybbies. Do you want to come?
This challenge is really heating up. Their strategies are super different. I'm glad I'm not competing. Anna, what's your theme for today?
I want to bring out his inner child and make him smile, so I'm gonna go for a rainbow theme.
Aaron, what's your theme gonna be?
2 words, prison swap. I'm gonna remind Dan of the good old days when he was locked up. I don't really know a lot about prison though, but I heard Anna does.
So it looks like it's either gonna give him the best memories or the worst memories. We'll just have to wait and see.
I don't know Dan's favorite color, but hopefully it's pink.
1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left.
1 minute left? That's plenty of time.
They better do this for my birthday.
All right, that's it. Time's up. Hands off. All right, Dan, we got 2 cakes here for you to judge. What the?
Did Anna just invite this random person to this party? I am telling you, this girl is off the rails.
No. Who invited this guy? No, absolutely not. Do not let him in. Don't let him in.
I just wanted to invite one of your friends. I wanted to make you happy.
Absolutely not. That guy stole my favorite slimes from my collection 3 years ago, and he never gave them back. Do not let him in.
I tried so hard and it backfired. I thought he was gonna like it. All right, Dan, I made you this with lots of love. It's very colorful and I hope you like it.
Oh God, it's so colorful. It hurts my eyes. Ugh, what even is this texture? It's so nasty. Did you honestly think I would like this cake? Do you even know anything about me? It's my birthday, okay?
Dan, any more thoughts about your cake?
I just hope the next one's better. I mean, this one looks like unicorn vomit.
Here's your cake. Happy birthday.
Now this is my kind of cake. It's so simple, and it's like not even attacking my senses. Oh, and you even picked out my favorite slime texture. Aaron, I've got to say, this is outstanding, outstanding.
So Dan, tell me about your final thoughts about this cake.
I don't even want to ruin it. It's a masterpiece. Christian, I think we have a clear winner here.
All right, so Aaron is the winner.
I mean, honestly, I've had worse birthdays, but don't you ever think about throwing me another party next year. Absolutely not.
Well, you guys, thanks for watching. It looks like I win even when I'm not trying. So, you okay over there?
Like and subscribe!